Understanding out of alignment, a guide to English phrasing. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Our focus is on understanding what it means when something is out of alignment. Whether you're fine-tuning your English skills or just curious about this phrase, you're in the right place. When we say something is out of alignment, we are literally talking about parts not being in the correct position relative to each other. Imagine the wheels of a car. If they are not aligned properly, the car might not drive straight. This literal sense is often used in mechanics, dentistry, or when assembling something. In everyday language, out of alignment is commonly used in a figurative sense. It describes situations, ideas, or actions that are not in agreement or not working together smoothly. Here are some contexts it might appear in. Personal values. If someone's actions are out of alignment with their values, it means their behavior doesn't match what they believe in. Workplace. In a team project, if goals are out of alignment, team members may have different objectives or methods, leading to confusion or conflict. Let's see how to use out of alignment in sentences. 1. Personal goals. Her career goals were out of alignment with her personal life, leading to stress and dissatisfaction. 2. Business strategy. The marketing strategy was out of alignment with the company's overall vision, causing a disjointed brand message. Understanding when something is out of alignment is crucial, as it allows for early intervention. Here's how you can identify and correct misalignments. Reflect. Regularly check if your actions align with your goals or values. Communicate. In teams, ensure everyone is on the same page by regularly discussing objectives and methods. Adjust. Be prepared to make changes to realign actions, strategies, or goals. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, out of alignment. Whether it's the wheels of your car, your personal values, or your team's goals, understanding and maintaining alignment is key to a smooth journey. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video helps you navigate through the intricacies of English phrases with ease.